Here's an example of a great doctor-owned review site and page. Prospective patients can read reviews online. They can comment, tweet, share, send, post to Facebook. And here, patients and customers can post reviews that you control before they go live. With a simple link to this page, you can start generating a lot of great reviews, which the patient or customer does not have to log into in order to review. Now, if you can get your patients to do reviews on other sites and you know that they're going to be positive reviews, and that's great. Have them do that. And then we can take those positive reviews from other websites and place them here as quotable reviews from other sites. That makes each and every review you get exponentially greater in value and searchability on the web. So here's an example. Search by doctor or company name with reviews, in this case, MK Orthopedics Reviews. Now you can start owning and controlling more of what people see by indexing positive reviews that you have published on search engines. Note, be sure your main website has a web page with the file extension such as yoursite.com/customer reviews doctor name, company name, city name, which becomes a highly optimized search keyword or set of keywords that should also show up in the search results. And this page can link and or include a live feed to your review site, but will help create another page that can be indexed and placed on Google. Okay, so let's look at your web network one more time here. You've got your website, blogs, informational sites, reviews, Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. Once you build out your web network, make sure they are all linked together for maximum cross-marketing potential. We didn't talk too much here about Twitter and Facebook or YouTube, but they are very, very important into helping you grow your SEO ranking, as well as just more ways that your content can be pushed out to the web and be found when somebody's looking for primary keywords associated with your practice, your specialty, your location, and your doctor or doctor's names. Now for the fun stuff. Step 3, start advertising and promoting your website. Pay-per-click. Develop a list of keywords related to your specialty or focus. An example would be for an orthopedic doctor in Katy, Texas, which is just outside of Houston, still a part of Houston. General keywords would be orthopedic and different spellings of orthopedic, plus doctor, surgeon, specialist, etc. So you have an entire keyword list that says orthopedic doctor, orthopedic surgeon, orthopedic specialist, etc., and the various iterations of those. Then you have more specific keywords that somebody might be searching for: knee, arm, hand, doctor, surgeon, specialist. But they need to be combined. You don't want to just market for knee. You want to, or do you just want to market for doctor? You want to market for knee doctor, arm doctor, hand doctor, or arm doctor, arm surgeon, arm specialist. Adjective keywords and or other keywords that are specific to somebody looking for a surgeon or specialist would include local, find, directory, best, top, recommended, and others. And then local and geo keywords would include Katy, Katy, Texas, Houston, Houston, Texas, and all the iterations of that. So now a keyword list might include keywords such as knee surgeon, Katy, Texas, or orthopedic surgeon, Houston, Texas, or hand doctor, Houston, Texas, or find local orthopedic surgeon in Houston, Texas. So you can see just off these few ideas here, you could end up with a list of hundreds to thousands of variations. Then you want to develop a list of ads and or ad groups, and ads are tied to specific types of keywords for maximum relevance. Here's an example. Ad group number 1, knee doctor. The headline might be knee Dr. Katy. Orthopedic Dr. Smith serving Houston and Katy, Texas. That's a simplified version, but it just gives you an idea of the type of ad that would include all keywords related to knee doctors in Katy, Texas. So establish your requirements for advertising cost on first page for your keywords. Establish your goals such as daily and monthly visits. Buy, track, optimize, refine, and you should track calls, leads, as well as visits, impressions, etc. Now to do all of this, it requires quite a bit of research, and every single situation is going to be customized to the doctor or client needs and to exactly how much budget they have allocated to be able to do this kind of marketing. And in that regard, that will determine the number of visits, impressions, page position, and activity somebody can expect to receive from their pay-per-click advertising. Here's an example of sponsored ads for OB-GYN doctors in Los Angeles, California. And here you can see the value of having pay-per-click ads, as they are always the first at the top of the page. And then you also have others that will run down the right side. And on mobile devices, such as smartphones, you might not see anything on the right side. You'll only see them at the top and at the bottom. However, it's extremely valuable just to be able to understand that if your ads or links to your website are not showing up on the first page of a search, then chances are prospective patients will not consider you as part of their research when looking for a new doctor or specialist. Okay, let's talk about display and banner ads and remarketing. Depending on the market, geo-targeting reach of your office, display and banner ads can be a great and significant way to promote your website. Let's just say you have multiple locations in a big city. Banner ads are a great way to market all of Houston, for example, or all of Los Angeles, or all of Austin, or wherever you might be, and to let people know that you exist, and to be targeting them on top premium websites that people visit all the time. And then, if you're not trying to reach a larger geographic city, in other words, you might just be that doctor in Katy, Texas, a suburb of Houston, then you might just want to do remarketing banner ads. Now, these are the same type of ads as other banner ads, except they only show up to people that have already visited your website. That has an extremely high return on investment for getting people back to your site and for rebranding and re-promoting your business, your doctors, and your specialties. And then Facebook ads are also a great way for promoting your practice and office in a local geo-targeted way, where we can specify the types, ages, gender of the type of people that you're trying to reach with your specialty, and even you can get down to focusing on interest they have. So if you're an orthopedic surgeon, you might want to reach people that have interest in sports or doing different things like that. So anyhow, you have a lot of opportunity. It's very inexpensive to promote your brand and your company on top national sites in a very locally targeted way and point those people to your website. And we see a tremendous amount of new, unique visitors coming to our clients' websites all of the time through banner advertising. Step 4, let's start creating and publishing content that can be found on the search engines. 1, you want articles that will be posted to your blog and distributed to Facebook and Twitter. Then you have videos that will be posted on your blog and distributed to Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Presentations that can be posted on your blog and distributed through Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and SlideShare, such as this presentation. Reviews that can be indexed and optimized, linking back to your website and even shared on blog, Facebook, and Twitter. And then link building articles that can be pushed through third-party publisher directories for maximum exposure and to build SEO rank and value for your main website. Step 5, track every activity closely. You want to use a database, web-based application that can track every lead source, paid, online, and offline. You want to track every lead and call. You want to evaluate ROI for all leads. You want to evaluate the types of inquiries and refine marketing to get more targeted results and activity. And you want to optimize your organic, blog articles, and paid advertising accordingly. And you want to know your total monthly investment and return and growth in revenue. Okay, this chart really just helps us see the comprehensive web marketing strategy that you should have in place. First, you see pay-per-click ads, directory listings, display and banner ads, and Facebook ads. Those 4 components really are the big factors in driving new visitors to your website as far as what you can pay for. And those should be fed through a lead database management program, of which you do constant analysis, of which you can implement optimization on the results that you're seeing. The great thing about online marketing is you get tons of data that gives you very specific information about what people are doing and how they're interacting with their website and whether or not you're actually seeing leads as a result of it. Then you have articles, which can be posted to your blog, Facebook, and Twitter. Then you have reviews, which goes to your reviews page, your blog site, and your Facebook site. Then you have videos that are obviously posted on YouTube but can be implemented on your website, posted through your blog, shared on Facebook and Twitter as well. And those are items that you can track through search ranking reports, reputation reports, social activity, and shares reports. And those feed back into your overall analysis where you can implement optimization again.